super healthy, loaded with antioxidants and extremely delicious. This beetroot, carrot and tomato soup is very easy to prepare, has a vibrant color and it tastes just fabulous. A very warm welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. To prepare this, the veggie ingredients will be carrots, beetroot, onion, garlic and tomatoes. Seasoning will be butter, cloves, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, salt, pepper, oregano and mixed herbs. Take your instant pot, press saute tab, add butter, bay leaf, cinnamon stick and cloves, garlic, onions, beetroot, carrot and tomatoes. Saute it for few minutes and then add 3 cups of water. Secure the lid and set the knob to the sealing position. Press pressure cook tab for 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, you can manually release the pressure after 5 minutes, and once the knob drops, open the lid. Veggies will be boiled. Strain the water and don't discard the water. Remove the bay leaf, cloves and cinnamon stick. We will use the veggie broth to adjust the consistency. Once the veggies are cooled, blend the veggies to make a smooth paste and strain it. Straining will remove the skin and seeds from the tomatoes, thus giving us desired smooth texture for our soup. Now press soup mode and add the smooth paste, followed by the veggie broth. This veggie broth helps to adjust the consistency. You won't require to add extra water. 3 cups of water for this much proportion is just fine. However, if you need to add water, add it at this time. Season it up with salt, pepper, oregano and mixed herbs. This mixed herbs has prominent flavor of basil and garlic. Also, this recipe has no cornstarch added, it's just the veggies which will give the body to the soup. Let it simmer till the consistency you prefer it to be. Look at the color. Finally, my soup is ready to serve and I truly can't resist. Hot piping soup with a garlic bread is just fine. Serve with cream, make a pattern and garnish with basil or tulsi leaf. It's winter time, hard to find basil. Alternatively, for kids, I serve them with some pasta and cheese over it. This soup is nutritious and is loaded with antioxidants. This comforting soup you can enjoy any time of the year. I hope you like it. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, God bless and stay connected. Bye.